These are the top 5 most annoying sounds. Let's see how long you can last. Okay, starting off with the first one. Chewing. It's not that bad. I don't like it, but I don't hate it. Mosquito buzzing. Alright, it kind of makes me feel like there is one buzzing around me. I hate this sound, especially when I'm in bed at night. Next level is alarm clock. Oh, okay, no. No, I can't stand this one. This is really annoying. The 4th level... I cannot. No, I can't. I hate the sound of babies crying. Nah, next please. The 2nd final level. If you survive this fire, you're doing good. Ah! No. I cannot stand that. I can't even stand cutlery touching each other. The final level.
Hey, boy.
Dad's voice.
Your hamster. He died.
I don't hear anything.
Why are you making fun of him so what if he
My headphones broke.
Hey! I'm talking.
What? Dad,
I'm
I got
talking to
headphones.
you, dude.